Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UPS how to create a return label. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create a UPS return label, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in UPS create a shipment. Then once loaded, what you need to do is tap on the first thing that is shown to you and then simply sign in to your UPS account. Then once inside, in the services option, select the return services and you'll see options like print return label or email return label. Then fill in to by your address where the return will come back and ship from the customer address. Then choose the service type from ground, second-day, air or international, etc. and select the return label format from print return label to electronic return label or print and mail. Then lastly, pay for the shipment and UPS generates the label. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.